Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your Word document and switch to Print Layout View for clarity. Scroll to the page before the last page and click at its end. Go to Layout, choose Breaks, then select Section Break Next Page. Click inside the footer area of the last page to edit it directly. In the Header and Footer tools, find and turn off Link to Previous to separate sections. This ensures page numbering changes apply only to the final section. With the footer of the last page active, click the page number to select it. Press Delete to remove that page number from the final page only. If the number does not delete, Confirm Link to Previous is turned off in the Header and Footer tools. If you need numbering to continue on earlier pages, open Page Number, then Format Page Numbers, and choose Continue from Previous Section. Close the header and footer by double-clicking outside or clicking Close Header and Footer. After removing the last page number, click inside the document and press Ctrl, then F9 to update fields. Look for a trailing blank page that still displays a number and delete its paragraph marks or section break. If deletion removes earlier numbering, undo and reinsert the section break carefully. Save a copy of the document before making major structural changes to preserve the original state. Finally, preview in Print Layout to confirm the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.